Hello everybody to the sixth lesson of JavaScript for active design. In this lesson we will know the syntax in JavaScript, how to create the syntax of the JavaScript. What is the syntax of JavaScript? The syntax of JavaScript will be like the following. For example, when we talk about the numbers, how the numbers is written in JavaScript. I will define here a variable, and I will say variable, let's name it var1. Okay, then equal semicolon. Then if you need to assign a number to that variable, you will say var1 equal, then the number you will have it. If it is decimal, you write dot, then the number or the digits you have. Okay, this is about the numbers. About the strings, if you have a string, you will write it inside a double quotation or inside a single quotation. Okay, so this is about the string. So also, if you have, for example, you have two strings, two numbers, okay, and you need to combine them to calculate them, okay, they will be, for example, like that. Save it, and let's see here, plus, and let's see var1, save, and let's see what we have here. When we click, it will calculate and give us the result. Imagine we have here a string. For example, I have 88 and I have here cars string. Okay, save it and let's refresh. Click and see what we have, 88 cars. So when we have number here, the browser will know that that number is the first one is number and the second one is number, so they will calculate them. But if they are this first, for example, or the next is string and one of the others is number, he will just join it, combine it with the others. For example, if we say cars, as we said, save it, when we refresh, it will be like the following. He just combined it, so 88 cars. Great. This is about the the characters, the numbers, and the strings. The operators we have in JavaScript, many operators. Most of them, the most popular are plus, minus, dividing or multiplication, or the rest of the percentage. We will know them later in the next next lesson. So you should know that we have these operators. Also we have the assign operators, which is done at the end. We do all of the right calculations, then we assign it to the left variables. We have also some expressions, some some keywords that we couldn't use it. For example, as we have seen in the previous lesson, that there's some words that is reserved for the browser, for the for the JavaScript language, so you couldn't use them. So like the var, if I define a variable with name of function, for example, function is a reserved word. Function, it will show error. Look, there's a red line here, underline, means this is error because it's reserved. Reserved words could not be used when defining functions or defining variables. Also, we have the sensitiveness of JavaScript. JavaScript is case sensitive, means if you have a variable, like for example here, I will say var1. Okay, so var1 and var1, they are not the same in JavaScript. var1 means different thing. var1, which is capital, is different thing. Even if it's only one letter, for example, the first letter, for example, or the last letter, it's different. If that letter is capital and the rest is small, it's different. So it's case sensitive. Also, JavaScript follow the Camel Case. What do we mean with the Camel Case? You should know that we have many types of programmers with many languages uses many things. Some of them use the hyphens, which is, for example, let's say my car. This is the hyphens. They use the hyphens to combine many words, okay? But it's not used in JavaScript because it's reserved for the language words, like the reserved words, okay? The second, which is the upper camel case. The upper camel case is used like, before the upper camel case we have underscore. For example, you write my underscore car. So this is not accepted in JavaScript 2. It's not recommended, and it's not used, I mean, with the words that we have it, the reserved words like this one, like get element by ID. Also we have camel case, which is, for example, I mean upper camel case, my car. Upper camel case means every word has is capitalized, means every letter is capital. So in the car we have the first letter, which is C, is capital, and my is also my word is also I mean it's capital too. JavaScript follows this type, but with lowercase. Means what? Camel case, they call it lower camel case. Means here we write M with small. I mean the first word starts with small letter, then the next starts with capital. Okay, like here, get, the word get starts with small letter, then the rest words start with capital letter. So this was about some syntax of JavaScript, and we will know more things in next lessons. Thanks for watching and listening, and bye for now.